Hello friend, I am Ravi and I am working as a business development manager in International Training and Consulting Services, Bangalore. Hope you all are doing good. I welcome you all in our YouTube channel ITCS Overseas Education, your study abroad partner. We came with our second video on Bangladesh. In this video, I will try to explain in details about those MBBS colleges which I mentioned in my first video. In the first video, we already explained why to choose Bangladesh, what are the criteria which are required to take admission in MBBS colleges of Bangladesh, and what are the advantages in choosing Bangladesh. So if you are new to my channel, I will share the link for the first video in the description. So let's start with how to check accreditations of the universities. First I will show you how to check the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council accreditation. The website for that is www.bmdc.org.bd. So in this website we have to go to the about option. There we have one option, old list of recognized medical and dental colleges. Once you select this option, it will display all the medical and dental colleges of Bangladesh. In this website, approx 94 colleges are available for the MBBS in Bangladesh. Out of 94 colleges, ITCS team has shortlisted few colleges on the basis of students and parents review, on the basis of the ITCS survey, on the basis of the hostel facility, on the basis of mess facility, and on the basis of education quality. We have selected approx 20 colleges, and that 20 colleges, all the information will be shared in our this video. Now I will show you how to check World Health Organization approval. So the website is www.wdoms.org. Once you open this website, there will be a search option is given, so you have to click that option and this will display the window like this. Then we have to select the country as Bangladesh, and then for which college we want to check. For example, I am taking as a Delta Medical College in Bangladesh. So just we have to click on the search option. So you can see here that college name is in the website of World Directory. This means that particular college is approved by WHO. So you can check from this website not only for the Bangladesh, whatever country you are looking, you can check here that particular college in that particular country is approved by WHO or not. If any student or a parent is looking for more information about that college, so you have to click here. This will open a new window which shows all the information related to that particular college. Here you can check that Delta Medical College is a private college. It is established in year 2008. Operational status, it is mentioned yes, currently operational. Academic affiliation, it is clearly mentioned this college is affiliated by University of Dhaka, and the website available on the internet is in English medium. If you want to check or if you want to contact that particular college, so contact details is also available here. The address is also available, phone number, fax and email. Everything is available in this website. So if anyone wants to check the program details, so you can easily find out here. The qualification title which you received from this college is Bachelor of Medicine or Bachelor of Surgery. The year of instruction begin is 2008. Curriculum duration, it is clearly mentioned that it is of 5 years and you have to do one more year for the internship. The language of instruction, that is the mode of education, it is clearly mentioned it is in English medium. If anyone wants to check for the sponsoring organization, then they have to go to the sponsorship note. So here it is clearly mentioned that it has been approved by Canada and Education Commission of Foreign Medical Graduate, that is ECFMG of the United States of America. Here it is clearly mentioned the medical degree obtained from this medical school are acceptable to the provisionally territorial medical regulatory authorities in the Canada, and therefore it is acceptable to all medical organizations in the Canada. So if you want to check more details here, the link is already available. You can go and check all the information easily with the help of this World Directory of Medical School website. The colleges which we are going to discuss in this video all are approved by WHO and Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. So the first college which we are going to discuss is Delta Medical College. Delta Medical College is established in 2006. This college campus is located in Mirapur, Dhaka. This college offers a 5-year degree leading to Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. The governing body of Delta Medical College is comprised of representatives from the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Dhaka University and Trustee Board. This college is housed in its own 10-story building and the hospital is on the same campus. The hospital is of 350 plus bed. The college is approved by WHO and NMC. The complete education in this college is in English medium. Number of Indian students in this college is approx 200 plus and the total number of students is about 700 plus. Hostel facility is available near to campus for both boys and girls. If we discuss about the distance from the Dhaka airport, the total kilometer is approx 19 kilometer. If we discuss about the climatic condition, then climatic condition of Dhaka is very pleasant. Winter will go maximum up to 15 degrees Celsius and minimum up to 10 degrees Celsius. If we discuss about the summer, then it will go maximum 36 degree and minimum 27 degrees Celsius. Total 5 years course will cost approx $44,000. Green Life Medical College. Green Life Medical College is approved by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Bangladesh, Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, and it is affiliated to University of Dhaka also. Green Life Medical College is established in year 2009. It is approved by NMC and WHO. This college is located in the heart of megacity Dhaka and the campus area is approx 2,85,500 square feet. This courses offered MBBS, BSc Nursing, Diploma Nursing, etc. MBBS duration if we talk, then it is same 5 years plus 1 year of internship. If we talk about the education is in English medium. Indian canteen is also available in this college, and if we discuss about the distance from the Dhaka airport, which is approx 20 kilometer, the total 5 years of course will cost 42,000 USD. The third college in our list is Popular Medical College. Popular Medical College, that is PMC, is a private medical school in Bangladesh. It is established in year 2010. It is located in the Dhanmondi, Dhaka. It is affiliated with University of Dhaka as a constituent college. The degree is recognized by the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. This college is also approved by NMC. This college is also approved by WHO. The Popular Medical College hospital is 500 plus bed care and leading contributor to the private healthcare services in Bangladesh. If we talk about 5 years of course will cost up to 45,000 USD. If we discuss about the distance from the Dhaka airport, approx is 15 kilometer. This medical college student must have to maintain 75% of attendance. Otherwise, he or she is not allowed to appear in the exam. Next college in our list is Universal Medical College. Universal Medical College and Hospital Limited is known as former Aisha Memorial Specialized Hospital, which is established in year 1996. It is established with an aim to serve the people by providing best healthcare services as a private hospital in Bangladesh. This college is approved by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of Bangladesh, Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council, and it is also affiliated to the University of Dhaka. We can say one more approval he have, that is the WHO. This college is approved by NMC also. It is same like all the education is in English medium. The number of Indian students in this college is approx 100. This college is approx 20 km away from the Dhaka airport. The college building is accommodated in 8-storied building, and it is attached hospital accommodation in the 6-story building with arrangement of 350 plus patients. If we discuss about the 5 years course, it will cost up to 45,000 USD. The next college in our list is Prime Medical College. The Prime Medical College is a private medical college in Bangladesh which is established in year 2008. It is located in Pirzabad on the western fringes of Rangpur. The city is a commercial hub for the surrounding district. The city center has a number of government and the private banks, insurance companies, residential, hotels, Chinese, Thai, Indian and the Mexican continental restaurants, fast food, sweet shops, gift shops and many more. It is one of the most important commercial zone in the Bangladesh because of its global positioning. It is affiliated with University of Rajshahi under the Faculty of Medicine. The degree is recognized by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. This college is also approved by WHO. Prime Medical College is a 7-storied building. All the administrative and academic activities are going on here. This is a very spacious building with modern structural design. The Prime Medical College Hospital was formally started its function on 17th August 2007 with a bed capacity of 750. If we discuss about education, the complete education is in English medium. Number of Indian students in this college is approx 200 plus students are available. It is nearest to the Saidapur airport, which is approx 45 km of distance, and it will take up to 1 hour and 30-minute time from the college. From India, it is a 5-hour journey from the Siliguri and 11 hours by bus from Kolkata. There will be a separate hostel for the boys and girls. Prime Medical College and Hospital started in 2007. It is now having a capacity of 750 beds. The hospital provides all the sorts of medical surgical services. The hospital has well equipped with medical department, general surgical, gynecological department, pediatric department, cardiology department, nephrology department, ENT department, dermatology department, urology department, neurosurgery, ICU, CCU and the blood bank. The total 5 years of course will cost up to 36,000 USD. Next college we have is Rangpura Medical College. Rangpura Medical College is a public medical college located in Rangpur, Bangladesh. The college is founded in 1970 and it is affiliated with Rajshahi Medical University. The campus of Rangpura Medical College is located in the northwest area of Rangpur, Bangladesh. It is approx 210 km from Rajshahi district and 330 km from Dhaka. It is located next to the inter-country highway that connects India to Nepal. This is a three-story college building and the five-story residential building with 1200 bed of hospital. Apart from the MBBS courses, this college offers various of post-graduate courses such as DCH, DFM, MS, MS in General Surgery, MD in Pediatrics and MD in Internal Medicine. This college have total 5 hostels out of which 3 are for the boys and 2 are for the females. 24 into 7 CCTV surveillance is also available in this college. Total number of Indian students is approx 200 plus. It is nearest to the airport Saitapur, approx 45 km away. If we discuss about the total 5 years of course which will cost up to 37,000 USD. As we already explained in our first video that if we are looking for the less budgeted college that is below 35,000 USD, then the first college in our list is Bikrampur Buhian Medical College. Bikrampur Buhian Medical College is a prestigious private medical college established in year 1994. It is affiliated by University of Dhaka. These courses offered included 4.5 years of course plus 1 year of mandatory internship. It is located in the environment in the heart of Munsiganj on 8.2 acre of land. The construction is of 3-storied and a new modern building covering an enormous area of 1,03,000 square feet with all modern amenities. This college has admitted 24 batches of students since its inception. 19 batches of students has completed the MBBS degree. The total 5 years of cost will cost up to 34,000 USD. The next college in our list is US Bangla Medical College and Hospital. US Bangla Medical College and Hospital is located in Tarabo of Narayanganj city, which is 25 km away from Dhaka. The college at present is entirely self-contained in 5-storied building with all departments, laboratories, library, museum, lecture hall, lecture gallery, cafeteria, hostels for the students and accommodation facilities for teachers also. This college is affiliated and approved by Dhaka University. All the education is taught in English medium. This college is also approved by NMC and WHO. The total 5 years of course will cost approx 32,000 USD. Next college in our list is Brahmbaria Medical College. Brahmbaria Medical College is a government medical college which began in 2010. This college is located in Gatura, Sadar Upzila, Bangladesh, and it is affiliated with the University of Chittagong as a constitution college, and it is also approved by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. This college is also approved by WHO and NMC. Whole education is in English medium and total 5 years course will cost up to 36,000 USD. Another college in our list is Shilet Women's Medical College. This college is specially for the women candidates and it is established in year 2005. It is located in Mirboxtola in the central Sylhet city. It is affiliated with Shahjalal University of Science and Technology under the School of Medical Sciences. It is the country's second best medical college for the women, and according to the 2020 census, the Sylhet Women's Medical College and Hospital is a teaching and medical facility with three high-rise buildings built on 130,000 square feet of land in the heart of Sylhet city. This college is also approved by NMC and WHO. This college offers 5 years of course of study leading to the Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. The degree is recognized by the Bangladesh Medical and the Dental Council. The 5 years course will cost approx 34,000 USD. The next college is Aideen Women's Medical College. Aideen Women's Medical College is exclusively for the female students. It is established in year 2008. It is located in Maghbazar of Dhaka city. It is affiliated with the Dhaka University. It is affiliated with the Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. It is also approved by the WHO. This college is located in Maghbazar, Dhaka with premises of 500 bed of medical hospital. This hospital treats men's and women's both, but over 90% of the patients are women and children. This college is also approved by WHO, and 5 years of course will cost approx 32,000 USD. The next college in our list is Central Medical College. Central Medical College is a private medical college located in Kumila city of Bangladesh. This college is established in year 2005. It is affiliated with University of Chittagong, and this college is also approved by Ministry of Health and Family Welfare and definitely by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. This college is also approved by NMC and WHO. It offers a 5 years of course of study leading to Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelor of Surgery. Total 5 years course will cost approx 32,000 USD. Now we will discuss about the Parkview Medical College. Parkview Medical College was established in year 2014 and located in Taltola, Sylhet, Bangladesh. The Parkview Medical College also offers the 5 years of MBBS course, and it is approved by Bangladesh Medical and Dental Council. It is also approved by the government of Bangladesh and affiliated by the Sylhet Medical University. This college is also recognized by the WHO. This whole education will be taught in English medium. The total 5 years course will cost up to 32,000 USD. So this video, hope you like our video, and this video contain all the information of the colleges of the Bangladesh. To know more about the MBBS courses, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.